Have you done it?
Yes.
You showed?
Yes.
So, it was about problem solution. Was it about problem solution essay? Or opinion essay? Okay, today we will have another new topic, and this one is problem solution essay. So how do we write problem solution essay? What structure do we use in problem solution essay? Introduction, main body, conclusion of try out, one by one, please answer. So it consists of main body, two introduction, two main bodies, and conclusion. Right? Okay. So what do we write in the introduction of problem solution essay? First of all, before discussing introduction, let's discuss the topic and the task of problem solution essay. What task you will be given in problem solution essay?
We have a problem and we should solve it.
So the topic with a problem will be given. The topic with one problem will be given, right? And you will be asked what to write?
Solution.
Firstly, we need to write the reason of problem.
Yes, right, you are.
And
The causes of the problem.
we need to write or to find how to solve the problem.
Yes, right, you are. So you will be asked to write the causes of the given problem with possible solutions, right? Okay. So the first, as we said, introduction, right?
Yes.
Introduction. Then two bodies. Body one. Body two. And the last one is conclusion. So in introduction, the first sentence is paraphrasing the topic, right? Paraphrasing the topic. And the second one is thesis statement. Thesis statement. Can we write the third sentence in introduction?
Two or three.
Two or three, right? And what about the third sentence in introduction that we will write?
In our opinion.
And what about thesis statement?
This, I guess that's that. Giving the concluding idea of thesis statement to this.
How do we name it? In introduction, the first one is paraphrasing, the second one is thesis statement, and the third one is can be concluding. No, it is what? No, outline, right? It's outline. So what is it says that in introduction you may write two or three sentences, not three, right? Two or three sentences. It means you have to write paraphrasing first, then it should be followed with a thesis statement or outline. Or you can include both of them. It means thesis statement with outline. You see? Even you can make thesis statement and outline in one sentence. You see? Okay. So in bodies,
First, topics and problems, reasons of the problems, that, and second, we can give our own solutions.
yes, okay. There are two types, two methods of writing problem solution essay. One method is, what kind of method? Chain method. The second method is point by point method or block method. Have you ever heard about these two types of methods in forming essay?
Yes.
Two methods of writing essay. It doesn't matter whether it's problem solution essay, opinion essay, bad, just no matter. So you should follow these two methods by choosing one only. If you mix these two methods in one essay, it will be mistake. So it means you may choose block method in order to form your essay, or point by point chain method. Block method, point by point method, they are the same, with two different names.
Like one problem and one solution in the.
Okay, so block method we said, right? Block method. Another name for block method,
Whereas all of the
point by point. This is the first one, and the second one is chain method. Now you will tell me the difference between block method and chain method. So what is block method? What is chain method?
As I said, is block and chain method, and block method is like I give the reason of the problem and then I give the solution, and everything just organized one by one, not
For example,
divided into two bodies. Or am I?
Continue. So
For example, I'm giving the problem and then the solution, problem and then the solution, not like divided into all the problems and the solution.
this is block method.
No.
What? Any ideas? Any ideas?
Block method point by point does I say.
Yes. Block and point by point are the same. They are synonyms, and chain method is another one. Any ideas about block method and point by point and chain method? So sometimes we write all causes in one body and all possible solutions in the second body. So what kind of method is it? Chain method?
Yes.
So sometimes we write the problem's cause with its solution in one body, then another cause with its solution in the second body. What kind of method?
Block method.
What kind of method it is? Block method. Right? It means you will discuss one cause of this problem, of the given problem, with its solution in one. Right? So if you divide all the causes in one body and the possible solutions in the second one, it is a chain. It is a block chain. Good. So if you mix them up, it means if you mix two methods in one essay, it will be wrong. You see, that is why you should choose one, the appropriate one for yourself, then write an essay. Body one. You know the structure, topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. And again, it's up to the method you will choose. If it's about block method, you will write the problem's cause and its solutions in body. If it's about chain method, you will write what? Problem causes in one and solutions in another one. Okay. So, what do we write in conclusion? In body one, it is this topic sentence. So you should explain one cause.
Actually, we can paraphrase the introduction and conclusion. I guess.
We should paraphrase what? Introduction?
In conclusion, for example, we don't need to give any new idea in conclusion.
Okay. So we said that we may use 2 or 3 sentences in conclusion part, right?
Yes.
So what about these 3 sentences? What are they? If we paraphrase our introduction, it will be 1 sentence, if I'm not mistaken, or 2 sentences. Just paraphrase the sentence. 1 or 2. So the good, it is the overall opinion. You should restate, right? Your causes and solutions that you discussed in body 1 and body 2, right? So first restate the causes you gave in body 1, then restate the solutions in body 2 for your conclusion part. Okay. So sentence using one cause and
Example.
examples, explanation, examples. Right? Any other? Facts. And concluding sentence. In body. The same with body too, but you will write not cause, but about the solutions, right? About the solutions. The same structure with the solutions. And in conclusion, restate. Restate the causes you discussed, right? In body 1.
And solution.
And then restate the solutions in your body. Copy it, please. Finished? So before doing exercises that is taken from a book related to problem solution essay, we will do some activities together. And that one is jigsaw. This is one essay, problem solution essay. But I cut it into pieces and mixed them up. I cut it the sentences in this essay and mixed them up. Your task is with your group, in group of 2, reorder these sentences in order to make up one complete essay. Clear?
Yes.
Divide into 2 groups. This is the first one and this is the second group. Sit together. Sit close to each other. The first sentence is ready for you. The first sentence with the topic and task.
The modern world has left.
In English, discuss in English, please. Read the sentence. Read the sentence.
Knows their neighbors in large cities. What problem does this cause? What can be done about this? Neighbors again.
Of the essay. The first group, you're welcome. The first group, read the first sentence of your essay. Read the first sentence, please.
Our sense of community can be the main trouble caused by it and the fundamental solution to it is holding community events among them.
Is it the first sentence of
No,
it?
it was the second. The modern world is the modern world.
Yes. The modern world has led
To relationships in the neighborhoods, in the cities.
Yes. Listen. Girls, listen. The second one.
A lack of sense of community can be the main trouble caused by it and the fundamental solution to it is holding community events among them.
Yes. Do you have the same answer? Do you have the same answer? A lack of sense of community, it is a second sentence, they say.
No.
No? Okay. Yes, you are right. It is the second sentence of the essay. Read the third sentence of the essay.
The prime reason for this is numerous occasions celebrated in the circle of local communities such as Nowruz, housewarming parties and religious festivals.
Do you have the same answer?
No.
So
Our is by implementing these strategies, both superiors and neighbors benefit from creating new networks, which may result in unlikely new market
No,
opportunities.
it's not.
Against
No, it's not. The third sentence of this, listen, the third sentence of this essay is one of the main reasons for unawareness of the neighborhood is a lack of public sense. So, next one, number 4, sentence number 4.
Furthermore,
No, it's not. It's not. Read your sentence
This is
number 4.
caused because
No, it's not.
the prime reason.
No, it's not. For instance, not only do people conduct more isolated lifestyles, but they also feel decreased security in their region, which leads to keeping distance from the society. This is sentence number 4.
It can be
No,
attributed to the events.
no. What about your piece?
Furthermore,
No.
for instance,
Ustad explanation again example.
Moreover,
Which explanation?
moreover, the situation is worsened by
is worsened by the limited support network of the society. Then, for example,
Londoners have a tendency to live quite reserved lives, not
Lives.
not knowing the individuals around them.
yes. And then, after it, which sentence follows? No.
For instance, by implementing
It can be attributed to the attempts to prevent potential conflict with them and the shortage of desire to create a relationship by neighboring humans. So this is half of the text, right? Half of the essay. Now, a minute for finding another half of the essay, please. Do it. You have already formed the half of the essay. Now in 1 minute, form the second half.
For instance, now what is the one? For instance, now what is the one? For instance,
Finished? Now let's check. So read the sentence.
a possible way,
Just one.
a possible way to mitigate the issue is by treating equally interactions with events and activities.
Yes, right. You are. The second is
By implementing these strategies, both superiors and neighbors benefit from creating new networks, which may result in unlocking new rewarding opportunities.
right. Do you have the same answers?
No.
No. This is the correct sentence.
Is it correct?
Yes. Next one. Next one. The third one. You're welcome.
The prime reason.
No.
No, this is caused because
Furthermore.
individuals gathered to participate in occasions. This will assist in creating positive memories and further habits of gathering.
Right. You are. Then next one.
For instance,
For instance, Kazakhstan is considered to be one of the countries in which inhabitants nearby have a close connection.
Right. You are. Next sentence.
the prime reason for this is numerous occasions celebrated in the circle of local communities such as Nowruz, housewarming parties, and religious festivals.
Right. You are. Next is
In conclusion, it's claimed that urban residents are losing a tendency to be aware of their surroundings.
right. You are. And the last one.
This is caused because of lack of community spirit and the vital approach to it is creating occasion gatherings and common actions among them.
Okay. Take it back. We have answered everything.
Future plans.
Take your seat. We have another task that is related to this one. Your sets. Another task is pair work. With your partners, you will do some exercises, some tasks, and that one is gap filling. So this is the same essay that you put in order, but with gaps. The words are given in the box. Your task is with your partners to put these words in correct order and fill in the details. Fill in the gaps. Work together, work together. Together. 5 minutes for the interview. Can you write the name of us? Positive sounds. Yes, so the same essays as you said. G squared.
Bunga yasirlamaydan welcome.
You can write on that paper if you want. Go and use it. You're welcome. Shall we start checking? No? Not all words will be used. It's written in the instruction. Finished? Yes. Finished? Finished? Yes. Yes. Girls, have you finished? So let's read the sentences one by one. One sentence from one paper. Okay. Sentence.
Bizdan boshlaymiz. Bizdan boshlaymiz. Har doim oxirgi
It will be enough. There are 13 sentences. Gaps, right? Spoken.
The modern world has
man shu yerga tugaydi aslida.
Welcome.
today.
The modern world has led to non-acquaintance relationship in the neighborhood is large cities. A lack of sense community can be the main trouble caused by it, and fundamental solution to it is holding community among them.
Right here. Have you got the same answers?
Yeah.
The first one is community, sense of community.
Yes.
And the second one is solution. So the second one, try your luck.
One of the main reasons for unawareness of the neighborhood is the lack of public sense. Not only do people conduct more isolated lifestyle, but they also feel decreased security in their region.
Right here. Do you have the same answer?
Yes.
Most welcome.
Moreover,
So it's very true.
She's there.
Moreover, as a situation is worsened by limited conflicts of society.
No.
Supporting
Limited
Supporting networks.
support network of the society. Next.
For example, Londoners have a tendency to live quite reserved lives, not knowing the individuals around them.
Right here. Do you have the same answers? Have you got the same answers? Not knowing, right? The individuals around them.
It can be attributed to the attempt to prevent a potential
Potential conflicts. Continue.
with them and the shortage of desire to create a relationship by neighboring communities.
By neighboring humans. Do you have the same answers? Yes. Next one.
A possible way to mitigate the issue is by creating neighborly interactions with events and activities.
Right here. Do you have the same answers? Mitigate and interactions.
Yes.
Have you got the same answers? Yes? Yes. Okay, good. Next one. Girls.
By
Girls.
Oh, so, okay, by implementing these strategies, both superiors and neighbors benefit from creating new networks, which may result in unlocking new rewarding opportunities.
Yes, right. Do you have the same answers? Opportunities. Okay, good. Next one. Girls, you're welcome.
Furthermore, if individuals gather to participate in occasions, this will assist and create
Assist. What is it? This one. Assist. No, I'm not talking about the meaning. Assist. The word assist we pronounce as assist, right? But she's pronouncing the word assist as assist. Sound E-S-S. Why? You know why? This is interference. The influence of the first language to your second. That's full evidence. Your second language, right? While learning the sounds, you will pronounce the sounds that you pronounce in your language. İlan diyecek. İlan. You see?
Yeah.
So it's not mistake. It's not mistake. It's a type of mistake that's hard to correct. Because we pronounce these sounds as in our first language, and the first language influences our language. İran yoksa bu hatalı doğrular filmler çünkü diller davranında siz memories
and further habits of
gathering. Do you know what is gathering? No, it's not about collection. Yes, meetings, right? Gatherings, meetings, joining with others, right? Sitting together. Okay, next one.
In conclusion, it's claiming that spirit residents are losing attention to the behavior of their surroundings. This is caused because of lack of community, urban and variable approach to its creating occasion, gathering, and common action among them.
So what was you do this one? What? It was. Spirit? That rural residents. What is rural residents? People who live in villages. And the certain lack of community. A minute left, please.
Time is up. Stop it. 5 minutes. Is it difficult to go quiz?
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know, maybe our brain is just stopped because our brain is not brain.
Okay, just stop it. Let's check how many pieces of sentences you put in correct order. Stop it, girls. Stop it, girls. Guys. So what can you say about the band score of this essay? Around 8. Band score.
Maybe higher, but it's not more than 8.
It's a 7.5. Band score essay. So how many correct words you found from 13?
I guess 8.
8. How many correct answers you found from 13? Count it. Count. 9. 7. Girls? 9. Girls? 9. 10. Because you used your phone. Not 6. 5. Okay. The last exercise here. Again with your partners. With your partners. Is it? We have 4 minutes more. 4 minutes more. 4 minutes more. They will wait. So 4 minutes more. Can we cope with the last exercise together? Yes? Yes. Okay, let's do it. So here you have words that are academic ones and words in bold in the text. You should find out the synonyms of these words from the box. The first one. A lack of sense of community. A lack of sense of community.
Community inhabitants can be the main trouble.
Inhabitants can be the main trouble. The lack of sense of community. Can we replace the word community within the word inhabitants?
Yeah.
No.
What?
No.
What is community? The lack of sense of community can be the main problem.
Inhabitants is they live in one place.
Yes.
One lot of people.
So can we replace community in place of community?
Inhabitants.
Can we replace it with a place in place of community? I will enjoy it. Yes. Yes. Sure?
I guess so.
Okay, good question in that case. We will continue. Next lesson if we can. Next one. The second one. Isolated. Secluded. The word isolated. What does it mean, the word isolated? It's like separated, right? Separated from others. And what about the word from the box? So, the last one is your group task. Find out their synonym and learn all the words by heart.